And I'm here in a real lifetime practitioner's place. We call the medical degree as a professional degree. Means
Hmm.
you're not just studying for theory, but the theory in itself is theory in action.
Hmm.
So it is something like it's a professional degree. That's why we say interns. Why that we say internship? Internship में आपको डॉक्टर साहब बोलने लगते हैं. All the employees at the hospital, everyone say डॉक्टर साहब आए, डॉक्टर साहब आए.
And you really handle real life cases, real
Oh yes.
life.
Oh
Hmm.
yes, and in the rural posting, we are in various other in the OT even they depute us to handle certain situations on our own as well. That is of course a hierarchical system.
That
It
is
is
what in engineering it's called
protocolized.
apprenticeship कि भाई जाके आप किसी master के under
Yes,
में work कीजिए
yes.
because it's a hands-on work.
And both are professional degrees. That's why
Hmm.
we say if, when you are building a bridge, I mean, I'm just saying from an engineering parlance. So it's a theory in action.
Hmm.
So that is why it is important that the practical aspects of it, the nuanced theory concepts, the fundamental practical experiences you take, you acquire. So had I missed on all this and studied for marks only, you see the USMLE system, the NEET PG papers, well, it is an appeal to the national testing agencies and the examination boards as well that the examination curriculum stress, you know, it it definitely takes a toll on the learning, actual learning of the medical student in the hospital. And often I used to see in my classroom my fellow classmates, doing questions of the USMLE multiple choice questions in the classroom. Well, we do feel that somewhere it
So you
helps.
miss on the learning, the nuanced learning given by your professors also, because
Yes.
your focus is somewhere different. For example, you talked about community medicine in Prof 3.
Mhm.
Now, if you have to really go and become a super specialist, you give not that kind of an emphasis on that subject matter.
Absolutely. And your sensitivity to the national health conditions, the national
Hmm.
health programs, the national, what are the statistics, there is a population census board. It used to be, right in front of AIMS Delhi.
Hmm.
Every day it used to tell the figure that now a child has been born. That sensitivity to the national indices, healthcare indices, how the infant mortality rate is
So if
progressing.
you have chosen right at the early stage, you try to turn away some of the subjects, but you said that each of these subjects are intertwined.
Yes, there is a reason that this curriculum has been designed, how
Because,
it
for
has been
example,
designed.
the very famous detective Sherlock Holmes,
Mhm.
written by Arthur Conan Doyle, he was a doctor himself, and the entire pedagogy of detection, deducement, he applied his entire medical knowledge to the profession of crime detection. And
Indeed,
so,
indeed.
hmm,
And I'm not saying that do not specialize. I'm not
hmm.
giving a no to specialization, but definitely utilize, make the best out of your MBBS program and see it's
And we have seen
not
people
unworthy.
studying for cramming for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and endlessly, like the
True,
wasteful UPSC examinations, wasting those very prime years where
true.
they can be productive for the nation for that matter.
And let
And
me let me tell you, the GPs are very powerful. If
hmm,
our country is backed by a spine and backbone of GPs like the NHS, which is there in the United Kingdom currently, the healthcare industry pyramid, the way it is, based out today, it would be just inverted. We would be
hmm.
having very few emergency cases, complicated cases in the tertiary care hospitals. Today, AIMS emergency is catering to, there is such a huge pressure overload. I mean, this, of
Which
course,
can be detected right at the primary level itself.
absolutely prevention, monitoring, and conservative management, diagnosis, differential diagnosis, all this is the power of the MBBS.
Mhm.
Diagnosis is the essential discipline. I am really very emphatic on diagnosis usually. When you say well diagnosed is half the cure done. And then the treatment protocol. So,
So, Dr.
prevention
Subi, just one more
protocol.
curiosity which comes over here is
Mhm.
how efficacious GPs you find the subspecialist? Do they have a blinding sight at that point in time?